Here we have another project video. This project is employee time tracker. So here we need to calculate how many times employee logs in, logs out, and what is the total number of hours worked. So we know when you have multiple departments, people can log in and they can log out from the department, but we need to calculate all the times. So therefore this project is to calculate the total hours worked by the employee. It's a web application project. We'll show you this demo in asp.NET with C# language and backend as SQL Server. So we all know there is a scanner, so you can just scan and get in. So you can have multiple type scanners, so thumb scanner or card scanner or personal identification system. So therefore when you get in, so therefore automatically they will be registered. Once it's registered, it will go to database. So this is a web application, so therefore anywhere the devices are connected to the web and to the web server. But in this project we are not connected to any device, but we'll enter the data when the employee key in. So we have to enter, and what is the total number of times they log in, total number of they log out, and what is the total hours worked. So that is what the main aim. We want to calculate these things in this particular project. As discussed already, is a web application project, therefore you can write in ASP.NET or PHP or Python or Java, JSP, all possible. So let's see that what are the modules required and what are the options required in each module. So this module also will have admin module. So here we have admin. So you can create all the employees, employee details. We can do the process to calculate and then list. Okay, so list number of in out. On the other side we can have employee, so they can log in, they can log out, even they can see the statics or data, what is the total logs in, total log out, that they can also able to view it actually. Let's see the demo, then we'll understand the whole concept. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Here we have a lot of project videos, so they'll help you to understand how you can make these projects. So subscribe, and whenever you have a time, please watch the rest of the videos too. So if you open Highblix tutorials and the videos, you can see that you have huge amount of project videos. So we have different languages. Presently we are talking about ASP.NET. We have PHP project, Python project, Java project, VB.NET, C#. All the projects are available over here. When you have a time, browse them, and also you can learn how you can make these projects. Therefore, a lot of advantages you will get, and also for your job experience is very, very important. So practice 1 or 2 projects, and if you have time permits, more projects. Understand the whole concept and then prepare yourself for the job interviews. Fine, so we'll move on. We'll take to this project. Fine. So here we open the project in Visual Studio. So here we have Visual Studio, and this is the employee time management. And if we take to the admin main page, so here are the options. So qualifications and designations, employee approval, and we have this one, but presently this is not connected. So we can also check what are the activities they do, but this is not there now. So there is an employee list, and here is the login and logout process, and then view login and logout times, actually how many times they log in, how many times they log out, all this we can able to view it. So if you go to employee, employee main, so here is employee main page. So here employee can also see that how many times they log in, they log out, all this. And we also have other forms like logout form and login form. So they are outside. For this you don't need to log in, because here instead of using the device, the option is provided. But once the device is used, you can disconnect. You don't need to use this form. So that is employee in time. Right. So let's run and check it out, how the whole concept works. So in order to run this, you need to click on IS Express here to run the project.
So it looks simple, but calculation is very tough because time wise you need to calculate.
So here is admin, so then admin, so you can log in here. So here options are provided, qualification details, so employee qualifications, and then designation, employee approval. If the new employee is signed up, then you need to give the approval, then only they can log in. So here is a login logout process. Okay, for which date you want to calculate, we can do the process first. So okay, so there is a message box, I can remove that one. So next, if you go to view login logout times, so for this particular day, so here it will display like what is the in time, what is the out time, and how many times they're in, how many times they're out, and what is the total hours. So we are calculating the total hours here, because once you log in, log out, the difference is seconds, it's not showing here. I'll show you the table, then you'll get an idea. So here if you expand this, if you go to tables, so here is the employee time table. So here we'll show every time when you log in, log out. Okay, so there is employee 1, 0, it login time, and this is the logout time. Now we log in again. So not to log in, so we need to copy the main address, and we'll take to one more tab. So, okay, so here you can see that there is an option in time. So you have to give the employee ID here. Submit. So now if you come back to tables and if you refresh the data, so that logs in here. So that is time is available. Now what we can do is, after some time you can log out. So here is a logout entry. Fine. So employee 1, submit. So now if you come back and refresh, there is one more entry, that is logout. Okay. So it's only 22 seconds here. Now we can do the process. We can go back to admin. So process 23rd. Now we can display the thing. So now you can see that 2 times they log in, 2 times they log out, and now the difference is 1 hour. So because earlier, what is the first login time, first logout time? So if you take the difference is 1. So this is how we can calculate the timing. So but if you try to calculate to get this result, it will take little long time. So you need to write down the proper program to get the result. Fine. So even employee can log in, even they can find out their login and logouts. So for employee, the options are provided to sign up. So here if we go there, employee sign up. So this is to sign up. After sign up, you need to get the approval. Only once you get the approval, you can able to log in. So this is right. So here is options to view the details. So this is a calendar, right? So display. So you can see that same data, it will be displayed here also. So if you want to get the details, so detail one more, you have to provide a link. So the detail should be filtered this one. Okay, so this one it should be filtered for day wise, and then it should display. Fine. So therefore it's a small project, will do the job. If you want to do a mini project, for that this much will do the job. So plan this, and then you have to implement it. So if you have any doubt, let me know what doubts you are having. So in the next video we try to cover. Thank you.